Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can clear your inbox on ClickUp from any messages, for example, to make some space, for instance. So let us get started right away. What you want to do, guys, is head over to ClickUp, of course, log into your account, and here in the top left, select your workspace. So I would like to clear the inbox of that workspace. So what you want to do is click on Inbox here on the left panel, and here at the top you will see a list of departments of your inbox, like important messages, other, snoozed, cleared, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there are no important messages right now or notifications, but in the other section there might be, for example, task reminders or notifications that, for instance, that task here is overdue, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may single clear them by clicking on clear here or by using the shortcut E, or simply select clear all here, confirm that you would like to clear all of these messages at once. You may also enable this message here so that this notification doesn't pop up in the future anymore. And basically hit clear this tab. So click on it, and as you can see, your inbox has been cleared entirely. Now you may head over to the cleared section here. It's like a trash folder on Dropbox or on Google Drive, for example. So items or messages here delete get temporarily stored here in that folder, and after 30 days they get deleted permanently automatically. So you may wait for that to happen, or simply select them here on the left hand side, for instance, here to the right, and select unclear, for instance, to restore the given notification or message. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.